Hi again, welcome back to Report Toaster Tutorials. In this one we're going to talk about drilling down to your data from data list reports. So we're going to start back with our handy dandy order data list. Probably getting familiar with this one by now. And in data list you'll see that there are sometimes data items that have a tag icon which indicates to us that there's more there. So we can look at this one, drill on this, and this shows all the line items that are contained on this order. You can see there are three different products ordered, and from there you can see some basic data, the SKU, price, quantity. If we use this action button, which is prevalent on line items in data lists, that'll take you to a more complete listing of the data. In a more vertical representation, you can see here it gets into all the data contained on that line item, from the product title, the variant, whether a gift card was used, was it taxable, etc. And even often there's drill downs within drill downs. So here we can get a little more about the state tax that was applied for this order if you're interested in that. So we can kind of back out of these drill downs and we can go back over to the action here on the main order, and you can see this one will bring up a very comprehensive form showing all of the information about this order. Everything from billing address, shipping address, tax exempt status, fulfillments. You can see down here what fulfillments were done, different, down to each level of fulfillment for each line item. Shipping lines, how was this shipped, what was the cost, etc. We can go here, let's expand this a little bit. And we can get down, hopefully something with refunds. There we go. Found a refund, and you can see here exactly what was refunded, how much tax was refunded, and what order adjustments were done. There's a discrepancy here, received a shipping refund, etc. So as you can see, very powerful feature, way for you to get deeper into your data than just your normal reporting tools. So that's all for this one. Thanks, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. To watch more tutorials, you can go to reporttoaster.kb.help or visit our website at cloudlab.com.